Okay, round 2 here at Nelson's ghost town in Nevada. Beautiful day, huh, Simone? So, going over to the church here, and she's gonna buy a necklace, I guess. Yeah, I saw that. So, it's too bad people come here and ruined it and destroyed stuff. But it's kind of a cool place. All kinds of saddles. My cousin loved the horseback ride. Some of these signs, trust me, are worth some money. I've watched pickers enough. That church is the last view I saw. It was kind of cool. So we're gonna roll over here, just up across the road there. Inside the store, they have all kinds of stuff. So it's kind of I'm not sure there's one on a pink Cadillac or not, if I did or not. But never hurts to show it again. Little camper. It's a big dog. Ham's beer.
There's a big Cadillac over there.
What?
You like it?
Oh yeah, I love it. Seen many videos on it. We'll go over there. Now, there's all kinds of stuff over there. I've seen videos of that. So, well, you have homemade stuff in there, or what's the deal? 940. They have a little store you can see right in there. Mine tours. They've been running it for 25 years, I guess. Old. Here's your favorite restroom right here.
Oh,
Yeah, outdoor biffy right here. Right there. You got a little telephone. Love it. See if I can call anybody. Hello? No one's here right now. Love it. Little telephone booth. What? Yep. Yep. An old tow truck over here. I guess his cat got into one of those things. The old tow truck. Pick them up and bring them where you gotta go. Over here. That's the old washing machine she saw. Got old Coke machine over here. All kinds of old stuff. $0.35. Be funny to fire that thing up, get that thing ready to roll. What? What? 5? What? Oh, I know, it's quiet. Yep. Perfect day for this. It's not, it's perfectly, it's cool. Some old Jeeps. Old bus. Yeah, all kinds of fun stuff in here. Probably people see these videos, see these old cars, drive people crazy. It's too bad that people ruin this place.
Yep.
Not too far from Vegas. Well worth it.
Yeah, it was what, 45 minutes?
Yeah. Well, this one right here is a, reckon this is a Ford. I think it's a Ford. Etzel. Ford Etzel. Yeah, it's been gutted out. Still, I like how it's just sitting out here. And over here you've got these cars can, like this general store over here.
Ooh, it's single over window.
Yep.
That's you. That's not old.
These cars right over here, they can float. All right.
Isn't it?
What?
View.
Yep. Yeah, I know it's. Yeah, these are pretty cool vehicles. Old school ones. Look at that one. But anyways, we'll see you in the next video.